Getting cash, baby. Don't you act like you made him from day one. Graduated from a center.
I'm gonna play solo for a second.
Now she see me getting.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Dark here. I'm gonna be doing a bit of an edit tutorial today for your Fortnite montages. Yeah, so I'm just gonna hop straight into it. If you do use this, or if you find this helpful, feel free to drop a like, drop a sub. But yeah, what you're gonna need your song, and any clip pretty much. You don't need any plugins whatsoever. And yeah, so you're just gonna grab your clip. I don't know what's happening with our audio there. There we go. Grab your clip and put the song in as well. And we're gonna do this in kind of two parts. So you can see I already made markers, but what you're gonna do is first go on the song, so kind of hear it out a little bit. So we don't need to hear all of this. Find out where the bass drop is, and pretty much just cut the rest of it just for this clip anyways. Obviously keep whatever part of the song you want, but this is what I think we're
Yeah,
gonna
I can
use.
show nobody fake love, cause I've been in my bag lately, getting cash, baby. So don't you act like you made him from day one. Graduated from a sim, turned into a big boss. Now she see me.
I think that sounds cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit delete right there. And then we're gonna go over here on our clip and just kind of find what was happening here, and maybe like cut it down right here. And then as far as the marker goes, I already placed it, but what I do is right as you see, at least for shotgun kills, right as you see the shotgun ammo go down, that's where you should put your marker. And then all you gotta do from there is just drag your clip over and make sure the audio and the clip are aligned, so like that, and drag out your song if you need to as well. So we don't need the whole win, we just need the kill. Okay, do that. And so this is how it's gonna look so far.
Yeah, no love from me. Yeah, I can show nobody fake love, cause I've been in my bag lately, getting cash, baby. Don't you act like you made him from day one. Graduated from a center.
I'm gonna play solo for a second.
Now she see me getting rich.
That's pretty cool right there. However, what I'm actually gonna do really quick is I'm just gonna trim this down a bit, just for the example, obviously. And just as kind of like a rule of thumb, what I like to do, I like to always just start it off by right-clicking on the front of the clip, and that'll just kind of make it fade in a bit. I usually like to do it a little bit longer, add like an edited by clip type of thing. So see how this looks now. So it's kind of nice, it fades in a little bit. And now it's all synced up, we're just gonna add our really basic effect. So what you're gonna want to do, split on the clip right where you get the kill on the marker. Okay, now for the actual effects, what I like to do, I just go up here in the effects tab, search up brightness. Obviously this is just one of the effects, it's not super flashy, but that's because I'm not using any plugins, I'm just using the things already in Adobe. So look at brightness and contrast under color correction, video effects, and just drag it on the part of the clip that you cut. So right there, and you'll see on the left, if you're on effect controls, you can see it. And so now you're just gonna go here and you're gonna keyframe brightness. Right as you see that ammo go down right there, you're gonna keyframe brightness. And I like to use something like 80. It looks really bright right here, but trust me, do whatever you feel comfortable. 50 is usually a good medium, but I'm gonna do it a little bit brighter, just for example. And then from here, just go ahead and skip like 15 to 20 frames. I think 20 is probably a good amount. Just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And you can just do that using the arrow keys. Keyframe again and bring this down to 0. And so now you can just see how that looks.
Getting cash, baby. Don't you act like you made him from day one. Graduated from a
I'm gonna play solo for a second.
So it kind of gives it a bit of like an impact, a bit of a flash. Now for the actual build-up, go here, and we're gonna type in lumetri. Whoops, can't spell. Do lumetri color. Okay, grab lumetri color, drag it in right here. Once again, if you're on this clip, you can see lumetri color going under basic correction, and exposure is what you're going to be playing with here. So I'm actually going to bring back this a little bit. I like that, but I'm going to bring back the fade in. And okay, so go over to exposure, keyframe. I'd say whatever you think is nice, but I'll do like 30 frames before. So I'm just going to do, whoops, that was 4 seconds. Okay, yeah, so this is 30 frames before, and or you know what? Nah, we're gonna do 40 frames before. Okay, now we're gonna keyframe exposure and bring it down. Sorry, don't bring it down yet. Trying to get it back to normal. There we go. So keyframe exposure at 0, and then go to the very end of the clip so you can see where the brightness is. Don't go there. Go right before it. Keyframe and go -5. And now you can see how that looks. And that should be our finished product.
Well, I'm gonna play solo for a second.
And there you guys go. There's an amazing effect for your Fortnite montage. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop a sub, and more editing tutorials on the way. So yeah, I'm just gonna make a whole series of editing videos pretty much, so if you want to stay tuned for that, that should be cool. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys in another one.